The most surprising way to save money on UK trains is buying 2 tickets. Most people think one ticket is always cheaper. It's often the opposite. It's called split ticketing. You split the journey at a station along the way. For example, London to Edinburgh. Buy it as 2 separate tickets. You don't leave the train, you don't change trains, you don't even leave your seat, but the fare can be 30% to 50% cheaper. People who know what they're doing rarely pay full price. Open TrainPal and tap here 3 times. Search SA01. Platform subsidised discounted tickets. I saved £96 on London to Manchester. Which route are you taking? Drop it in the comments. I'll check the fare for you.